morning, children. So you must be seeing Indra ma'am is always shopping. I'm back with you once again with all my groceries. I've been shopping a lot. Yesterday I especially shopped for you so that I can show you. Remember we talked about heavier things and lighter things, the chapter, and I read the first page on the donkey, and the second one, the second page we talked about how heavy and light things are. And yesterday you must have done that homework, one page, which is heavier and which is lighter, and you have to draw the lines to match. Yes, I'm sure you enjoyed all this. So here I am with a lot of other grocery items to talk about why certain things are heavy and why certain things are light. Okay, and previously, day before yesterday, I sent you two beautiful video clips. Okay, one was on the father was carrying a heavy sack behind, it was a 10 kg rice he was carrying, and the little children said, okay, we'll help you, Papa, but they couldn't carry big things, so they lifted little things from there and they kept it inside the house. They went and kept it inside the house because Papa had just come back and he had it all in the car. So one by one they all helped him to carry it inside, right? And why do you think that little children can't carry very heavy things? Can they? No. And big people can carry heavy things. Why do you think it's happening? Because people who are big will be weighing more and you children weigh very less. No. Now remember in the school when you went to MI room, sometimes ma'am used to call you and look at your eyesight, and she used to measure your height, and she used to measure your weight too. Remember this machine? She used to make you stand on this machine. Remember? And it will flash here. Whenever you stand, your weight will flash out here. So you will be able to then find out that how much weight you are. And when you used to come back to the class, you used to excitedly come running, oh ma'am, I was 19 kg. Or you will tell your friend also, I'm 20, and your friend might say, oh, how much was your weight? I was 25. So you used to compare yourself, your weight and all, you used to compare. Children, you could see for yourself then that some of you weighed little, some of you weighed more and some of you weighed less. Some of you had lighter and some of you were heavier. So when we did that, we could see for ourselves, right? So how did we, when we weighed ourselves, what did we weigh ourselves in? We weighed ourselves in kilograms, right? Kilograms. This is, and the short form of kilogram is kg. So we always used to write, even in your report cards and all, we used to write, okay, your weight is 18 kilograms or 19 kilograms or 20 kilograms. So you people are just in class 1 or 2, you will not be weighing more than 20, 22, not more than that. So see, and then what about lighter things? Okay, lighter things are measured in gram. Like supposing I showed you previous class, I showed you a lot of lighter things, like cotton balls, I showed you leaf, and then I showed you a lot of light objects, and even in our video we saw buzz, and that there was a little ant and all. They are very lighter items. So for lighter items we use grams, okay, like your medicines, all that comes in grams. So gram is written as G. So heavier things are measured in kilograms and lighter things are measured in grams. Okay, yes, lesser than kilogram, 500, you have, 500 grams makes 1 kilogram, 1 kilogram has got 1000 grams. So the gram is very less than kilogram, and we write G for gram. Okay, now this is kilogram and gram. So in order to know more about this, now I said no, I've got a lot of things, so I'm going to share all the things to see. Achha, before I see that, tell you, okay, when you go to the shop for buying your vegetables with your mama, this thing, they used to use a taraju, a balance scale, which had two bowls. In one he used to keep a heavy stone, and he used to keep the stone which had 1 kilogram written, or 2 kilogram written, or 500 gram written. But nowadays, children, that is gone. Nowadays all of them are keeping a machine, and they have a balance machine now. Okay, it is an electronic machine, and everything is computerized. Now this is a weighing scale that I showed you earlier. Now another one which is used to weigh things like gas cylinder, how much gas it has, we use that, or we can even weigh things with it. So for example, you want to weigh mostly even like when you have your newspaper, Papa gives away, when a lot of newspaper gets accumulated, Papa gives it away to paper wala, no, he comes. So he uses this spring balance, he uses this to weigh. So he puts all the newspaper into a sack and he lifts it up like this. So when he lifts up, what happened? This moves. So when the scale moves, that means, and then they can measure through this how much gram or how much kilogram it is measured. Okay, now these things cannot be measured like that, because I cannot lift up, but in a sack you need to put it in a sack and pull it, then you will be able to measure it. Okay, so this is another kind of a balance. Okay, I don't have the balance which they use in the shops. I will try to get it arranged and I can show it in the next class. So I'll try it. Now let us see some of the things and see how much each weigh. How much of these things that I have carried. Now look at this. Wow, Horlicks, no, you love it. The mama gives you, puts it in the milk for you, stirs it and gives you. Now look at this Horlicks. It's a 1 kilo packet. Everywhere it is written. See, when you go and buy anything, you can see it. Out here it's written net weight 1 kilo. Net weight 1 kilo. That means it has 1 kilogram of powder in it. Okay, Horlicks powder in it. Now children, this is a packet of Surf Excel. I use this to wash. No, you put it in the washing machine. Now this, it's written net weight 4 kg. See, 4 kilograms. It is net weight is 4 kg. So it had 4 kg, but the ma'am has used a lot of powder from this. Now because I've opened the packet, see, I've opened the packet, I've used it. So I'm able to lift it up with one hand. So you must be having about 3 kg. I've taken out 1 kg already. Okay, so this must be having around 3 kg of powder now. Okay, now look at this. It's the dal. You must take a lot of dal. It's got a lot of protein. Now this is the white ulad dal. And you know how much net weight it has? It has also 1 kg. See, net weight 1 kg. Okay, so this is about a kg. This is also about a kg. So we have one here, and then I'll show you this. This is the atta, no? Ashirwad atta. Your mama makes yummy roti in it. Now this is, children, 5 kg. Okay, this packet says net weight 5 kg. But I've used a lot of I put it in another bowl. I put it in a tin. So it's very light. It will be having only around 2 kg now. I'm able to lift it up. So it has got about 2 kg now. But this packet had how many kgs? 5 kg. Okay. So this is a 5 kg packet. So this will be heavier or this will be heavier? 5 kg will be heavier or 4 kg packet will be heavier? 5 kg will be heavier, right? And 4 kg will be lighter. Okay. Now I will show you packet which is very light. Okay, so let's see how many kg it has. Do you think it will have a kg or gram? I'm sure it should have gram. So let's see how much gram it has. See, it is written here. 200 grams. Net weight 200 grams. So this is very, very light. Very, very light. Okay, it is 200 grams, not even half a kg, 200 grams. Okay, now I will look at this one. See the Vim bar which Mama also uses to clean. It has got, see, 600 grams. It's got 600 grams. Can you see 600 gram written here? Okay, so it's got around 600 gram. Okay. It's written it very small, it's written. You have to be really, you have to concentrate and see. So I'm trying to show you that. Okay. Okay. Now you are not able to see it so clearly. And then the lightest one that I'm taking, I'm sure you'll be able to see this. Garam masala. Mama puts it in sabzis. Yeah. How much gram it is? See, 100 grams. Can you see it? 100 grams. Okay, can you see it? 100 grams. Okay, here it is 100 grams. Now children, if you are not able to see it very clearly, I'll show you another packet which also has 100 grams. Maybe this is more clearer. This is the methi seeds. Okay, which is again, so it's written 100 grams here. You were able to see the 100 grams. So this will be very, very, very light, lighter than the everything that we have. So 100 grams here we have there are 3 packets of 100 grams each. I've also got a Mirchika packet which also has 100 grams, but it's written it so small that you will not be able to read it. So I'm just telling you that these are 3 packets which 100 grams each. Okay, and we had this as 200 grams. Okay, and we had this as 600 gram. Okay, now we have this which is about half a kg and we call it 500 grams. See, 1 kilogram has got 1000 gram and this is 500. Half of 1000 is 500. So this is half a kg. Okay, this is how much is it? Half a kg. And this is the suji ka packet. Your mama makes suji halwa for you, or she makes upma with it. Yes, and very nice. It's supposed to be very good. No, it's nutritious. You must eat upma and all. It's very good. Then we have this which has about, I think, around 500. This has also got 600 grams, children. It was written somewhere. I'm just looking for the net weight. I saw it. Okay, yes. It's written very small once again. You may not be able to see it. It says 600 grams here. Somewhere here it's written 600 grams. Okay. Okay. Now, so there are 2 600 grams we had. Okay. These 2 are 600 grams. Okay. So now tell me, children, which will be heavier or which will be lighter? We'll just watch. Do you think that 100 gram is lighter or 200 gram is lighter? 100 gram will be lighter than 200 grams. Now, if I put 2 of these 100 gram, it would be the same. Remember the seesaw we played when I showed you the thing on Raju sitting on that seesaw, and Rani came to help, and Rani was lighter, and so Raju was still going down and Rani was up, and his friend Haslam also came and sat so with Rani, and it became equal, right? So that's how things become equal. This is 200, this 100 plus 100 will become 200, so both of them now will be equal. Okay, now see, so we have seen some are lighter, some are heavier. This is 4 kg is lighter than 5 kg. 5 kg will be heavier than 4 kg. 1 kg will be lighter than 4 kg. So you see, so this is why I wanted to show you these things to understand about why things are heavy and why things are lighter, and why some of you can carry more things and some of you cannot carry heavier things. You can carry only lighter things. So, and what is the lesson about? How much can you carry? You are a child. Do you think you will be able to carry all this? If I put all this in a bag and tell you, okay, lift it up and go, you will not be able to carry, no? Right? So, that is why I wanted to show you everything. Okay, children. Now I'll send you one video clip also, and I'll send you in a PDF form. I'll send you one homework as well. Okay.